wisp of smoke. The king Sri Krishna Devaraya always used to praise Tenali Ramalinga. Some of the courtiers were very unhappy and jealous with this. In totality, they were very jealous with the relationship of the king and Tenali Ramalinga. One day, a priest comes into the presence of the king and says, "O king, you always praise Tenali. It is not good, for I have more talent than him. If you want, you can put me to a test." The king thinks to himself and says, "Okay, you prove what you have just spoken. I will give you a small test." He looks into a corner and sees that the incense sticks are emitting smoke. The king tells to the priest, "Okay, you see the smoke of the incense sticks there? Now form that smoke into 2 feet. If you make it, I will appreciate you." The priest thinks to himself for some time, "Am I really capable of doing it? Can Tenali do it?" The king, noticing what was running in this guy's mind, turns to Tenali and says, "Tenali, can you do it?" Tenali steps forward, says, "Yes, my king, I can do it." He then calls the servant and tells him to bring 2 big glasses of 1 feet. Once the servant brings the glasses, he takes those glasses and puts it on the incense stick. Now once the glasses are inserted on top of the dhoop sticks, the smoke starts collecting into the glasses. Since they were 2 of 1 feet each, once the smoke is filled into the glasses, it is like 2 feet of smoke. Tenali turns to the king and says, "O king, see this." The king thinks, "This is Tenali." The fighter wanted to show his strength to the king and the courtiers. The fighter says, "Oh great king, I am a big fighter. Is there any